you doing?
You fucking bogan slut. Get the fuck out of Canberra. Go get a job and find something better to do with your fucking
What have you done?
What have you done?
Can I
you
please
reversed
have
into
your
me.
license?
Honey, you just reversed into me. I have a fucking camera.
Sorry, we're at a traffic light
Yeah,
and
you can say whatever you want, and you can put whatever you want, sweetheart. The media doesn't care about you.
I'm not talking to the
Care
media.
about you. Oh, what's that? What are you looking for?
Don't you worry.
What are you looking for?
Oh,
Did you see that?
a maniac.
Yeah, I am. So get the fuck out of Canberra because there are a lot of us.
Good.
Yeah?
You're a maniac. Oh! Oh, I'm so sorry.